If you're experiencing issues with Roblox face tracking not working or not showing up, you can follow these step-by-step troubleshooting methods. Shashar. Step 1. Check device compatibility. 1. Ensure your device supports face tracking. Face tracking is typically supported on Windows 10 or later and may not work on all devices. Check if your device has a camera that supports facial recognition. Usually, this is on laptops and modern desktops. Step 2. Update Roblox 1. Open Roblox. 2. Check for updates. Roblox usually updates automatically, but you can log out and log back in to ensure you have the latest version. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. 1. Update your graphics drivers. On Windows, search for Device Manager in the Start menu. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search for updates and install them. Step 4. Check camera permissions 1. Allow camera access. Go to Settings, Privacy, Camera on Windows. Make sure Roblox has permission to access the camera. Step 5. Adjust Roblox settings. 1. Launch Roblox. 2. Enter a game that supports face tracking. 3. Open the menu by pressing the Escape key. 4. Go to Settings, Camera, and ensure face tracking is enabled. Step 6. Check internet connection. 1. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Face tracking may not function properly if your connection is unstable. Step 7. Reboot your device. 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Step 8. Reinstall Roblox. 1. Uninstall Roblox. Go to Settings, Apps, Apps and Features, find Roblox, and select Uninstall. 2. Reinstall Roblox. Download and install the latest version from the official Roblox website. Step 9. Check for background apps. 1. Close unnecessary applications that may be using the camera. 2. Ensure no other software is interfering with camera access, like virtual camera software. Step 10. Test face tracking in different games. 1. Try face tracking in various games that support this feature to see if the problem persists across different experiences. Step 11. Contact Roblox support. 1. If all else fails, visit the Roblox support page, en.help.roblox.com/hc/enus, and submit a ticket for further assistance. Additional tips. Use headset with a camera. If you're using a VR headset, ensure that it has face tracking capabilities. Facial expression settings. Make sure to check if your face expressions are set correctly within the Roblox settings. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve issues with Roblox face tracking not working or not showing up. If you have any specific errors or messages, feel free to share them for more targeted assistance.